In this video, you'll learn how to recover funds from the Binance exchange. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to identify issues with your transactions and initiate a recovery process effectively. Start by navigating to the Binance website. Once you arrive, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click this button and, when prompted, enter your credentials to sign into your account. After signing in, access your account dashboard and carefully review your transaction history. This step is crucial as it allows you to identify any missing or incorrect transactions. As you examine your transaction history, pay close attention to network confirmations for each transaction. Verify that the address and network used for the transactions are correct. It is also important to save the transaction hashes for any transactions that appear problematic. This information will be essential for the recovery process as it helps to accurately identify the issue you are facing. Next, you will need to submit a recovery request to Binance. To do this, look for the support or recovery section on the Binance platform. This section can often be found in the help or customer support area of the website. Once there, select the appropriate recovery option that applies to your situation. Make sure to provide all transaction details accurately and upload any required proofs, such as screenshots of transaction hashes. Following the recovery instructions exactly as critical, as the recovery process may take some time to complete. After submitting your recovery request, it is important to track its progress. Regularly monitor the status of your recovery request by checking the support section. Be prepared to respond promptly to any inquiries from the Binance support team, as this can help expedite the recovery process. Additionally, periodically check your wallet balance to see if the funds have been restored. It is advisable to save any recovery confirmation you receive, as this serves as proof of the process. Finally, to avoid similar issues in the future, learn from the situation and take note of what went wrong. Ensure that you do not repeat the same transaction that caused the problem. This proactive approach will help you manage your funds more effectively going forward. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.